Deep within the emerald heart of the Americas, where dense jungle canopies obscure the sun, a silent predator reigns supreme. This is the realm of the jaguar, a creature of myth and undeniable power. But to truly understand this magnificent cat, we must first follow it to an unexpected place, the water. Unlike other big cats who often treat water as a barrier, the jaguar has mastered it. In the flooded forests of the Amazon and the sprawling wetlands of the Pantanal, it is the undisputed king of the water. Rivers are not obstacles, they are its highways, its hunting grounds. The jaguar is an astonishingly powerful swimmer, capable of crossing waterways hundreds of meters wide with ease. There are even documented cases of jaguars swimming over a mile, a feat of amphibious prowess that sets it apart from every other large feline on the planet. This isn't just a cat that tolerates water, it's a cat that commands it. But the jaguar's significance extends far beyond its physical abilities. It is the biological anchor of its entire ecosystem. As a keystone species, its very presence ensures the health and balance of the jungle. In the Amazon, it diligently manages the populations of herbivores like deer and peccaries, preventing them from overgrazing and destroying the delicate forest floor. In the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland, its role is even more dramatic and vital. Here, the jaguar's primary duty is to control the numbers of spectacled caimans. Imagine an ecosystem without this check and balance. The waterways would quickly become overrun by these formidable reptiles, throwing the entire aquatic food web into chaos. The jaguar is not just a predator, it is the great regulator, the guardian of ecological harmony. So, how does it maintain this crucial role? The answer lies in a set of physical adaptations that are nothing short of legendary, starting with its bite. The jaguar possesses a jaw strength that is almost unbelievable. To put it in perspective, a lion, a powerful predator in its own right, delivers a bite of around 650 pounds per square inch, or psi. The jaguar, it delivers an astonishing 1,500 to 2,000 psi. This is the strongest bite force, pound for pound, of any big cat on Earth. This incredible power dictates its unique and terrifying hunting style. While lions and tigers often rely on a suffocating bite to the throat, the jaguar has a far more direct and brutal method. It uses its massive canines to deliver a piercing bite directly through the skull of its prey, often through the temporal bone, and into the brain. It's an instant, devastating kill. This technique allows it to easily dispatch armored prey that other predators would struggle with. The thick, tough hides of caimans are punctured effortlessly. The hard shells of river turtles are shattered like eggshells. The jaguar's bite isn't just a weapon, it's a master key, capable of unlocking any defense its prey might have. Away from the intensity of the hunt, the jaguar leads a largely solitary life. These are territorial masters, marking and defending vast expanses of jungle as their own. Males and females rarely cross paths, and when they do, it's typically for one singular, primal purpose: reproduction. Unlike many animals that have a specific breeding season, jaguars can mate at any time of year. When a female enters estrus, her scent and calls will draw in a nearby male. The encounter that follows is brief, intense, and physically demanding. To ensure conception, the pair will engage in one of the most extreme mating behaviors in the animal kingdom. During the female's peak fertile period, which lasts a few days, they may copulate up to 100 times in a single day. This exhausting marathon is a biological necessity, maximizing the chances of passing on their powerful genes to the next generation. Following this intense courtship, the male departs, leaving the female to face the challenges of motherhood alone. The gestation period lasts about 3.5 months, after which she will give birth to a litter of 1 to 4 cubs, usually in a secluded den hidden deep within the undergrowth. From the moment the cubs are born, the mother's protective instincts are absolute. She raises her young in complete isolation, fiercely guarding them from all threats. Perhaps the most significant danger comes from other jaguars, specifically adult males. A male jaguar may attempt to kill the cubs, not for food, but to drive the female back into estrus so he can mate with her and sire his own offspring. It's a brutal reality of jaguar life. For nearly 2 years, the cubs will remain with their mother. During this extended apprenticeship, she teaches them everything they need to know: how to stalk silently through the dense jungle, how to ambush prey, and how to execute that signature, skull-crushing bite. They learn the complex art of survival in one of the planet's most demanding environments. Finally, once they have mastered these skills, they will venture out on their own, ready to claim their own territory and continue the cycle. Now, let's address a common point of confusion: the black panther. You've seen them in stories and films, a sleek, ghost-like cat of the night. But the black panther of the Americas is not a separate species. It is, in fact, a jaguar. This stunning creature is simply a jaguar displaying a genetic trait called melanism, which results in an excess of dark pigment, making its coat appear solid black. But the spots are still there. If you look closely at a black jaguar in just the right light, you can still see the faint, ghostly outlines of its characteristic rosette patterns beneath that dark, midnight fur. It's a beautiful reminder that whether its coat is golden and spotted or dark and mysterious, it is the same incredible animal. The jaguar, whether we call it a panther or by its true name, is the quintessential predator of the Americas. It is a master swimmer, a keystone guardian of its environment, and a hunter of unmatched efficiency. Perfectly adapted and ruthlessly powerful, it remains the true, undisputed sovereign of the wild. Thanks for watching. If you were as fascinated by the jaguar as we are, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible wildlife. We'll see you next time.